here and show you this cordless vac that I just got. So this is pretty cool because you are not gonna have to plug it in. It's gonna run on its own. It does come with a battery here that you can go ahead and charge, but you'll just go ahead and slide that battery right on here, just like that, and then it will start to work here. So it does have different power speeds here as well. So you can just press this button on the side here to turn it up and down. You are gonna get an addition of filter here as well as a sponge filter, and then you're gonna get this rack that actually can go ahead and hold the vacuum cleaner, and then it can hold the attachments as well. So the attachments can just hook right in here. You're gonna get your crevice tool. So it is gonna come with this tool here as well, and you can just go ahead and extend that out in order to use the brush piece on there. The other thing that's nice is that the vacuum head here is nice and big. It has a nice bristle. The opening for the stuff to vacuum up, the trash or whatever, is going to be nice and big too. So you're going to be able to scoop up some big things. And this is going to be telescopic, so you can increase or decrease the size of it. So very easy to put together and to use. And then cleaning it out is going to be super simple too, because what you'll do is you will just go ahead and press this button here and it'll open the canister at the bottom. So let's go ahead and start using it.